Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me applying, for the first time ever on camera, false lashes underneath my real lashes. The typical way to apply false lashes is to put a strip lash over your lashes when your makeup is complete. I've seen a lot of videos that have been, very successful applying the lashes underneath. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it's like fucking so stupid or see if it is amazing and maybe something that I would do again. So I'm gonna do that on camera for the first time with you guys. I do have this little guy right here, which is the new Benefit BADgal BANG mascara right there. And I'm going to test this out while we are on the while we're on the topic of lashes. If you guys want to see me try out this new technique and review this mascara, then keep watching. First things first, I'm going to curl my lashes. Let me get my mirror out here. I'm gonna put that right there. When I'm curling my lashes, I really like to hold it down for about 10 good seconds. So yesterday was my dog's birthday and he is now 3. So my little Leo is 3 years old. He's so cute. Me and my roommate, we made my dog and her dog a little romantic steak dinner. It was so cute. We had it up on the rooftop and it was like just really adorable. So now I'm going to open up this mascara. This is the component. It is actually really cute. You can see it's kind of like studded and just really cute. This one retails for $12 because this is the mini, which has 0.14 ounces. This mascara claims that it is smudge-proof, water-resistant, volumizing mascara. 90% have seen dramatic volume, 94% said it instantly lifted lashes, 92% said that it lengthened lashes. Provitamin B5 known to fuel and thicken. BADgal BANG 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara creates massive volume without weighing down lashes. The gravity-defying formula contains aero particles, one of the lightest known materials derived from space technology. This innovative, intense pitch black mascara layers easily for bigger and bigger impact. Its custom big, slim-packed brush is streamlined to reach root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes for big volume with 360 reach. So let's open this baby up. It is a little bit thicker towards the base and it kind of slims out, which is supposedly supposed to be really good for getting all of your lashes, all the ones in the corners and whatever. And it says it's really great for top and bottom, and it is a water-resistant mascara. It looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do some on the bottom. Now, here's a little pro tip. If you actually, like most of us do when we're applying our mascara on the bottom or the top, sometimes you kind of get a little mistake. As you can see, I have one right underneath here. If that does happen to you, let it dry and then it will just flake right off, as opposed to trying to wipe it away. The mascara so far looks awesome. I'm seeing it in the monitor right here and it looks really good. I do have to say that from my favorite mascara, the Lash Paradise, which is also a waterproof jet black awesome mascara from L'Oreal, I do have to say that this feels heavier than the BADgal BANG. It feels heavier. So I'm gonna apply that to my other lashes and I'll be right back. So I really do think that the mascara itself looks really good. It went on like a dream, and I only used one coat as of right now, and I actually really loved it. Side note, for my lips today, I used the Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker, which is this gloss right here in the shade Candy Queen. And I do have to say, I really liked it. And this whole time that I have been filming, my lips have been tingling like crazy. So, and they do look pretty plump. I'm going to take these false lashes. These are Wispies from Red Cherry, which I do like their lashes. They're super affordable. I purchased these at Ricky's NYC, and I purchased them, I think, for $3.99. I'm gonna take the strip. Now, I've seen a few videos on this already. In some of the videos, they take the lashes and they cut them in half, or sometimes they cut them into threes to kind of place them in different areas, because to put the whole lash underneath, it might be a little more difficult. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place these lashes on my eye, and then you can see right here on the side that there's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna actually cut that bit off so that it can really fit perfectly with my eye shape. Customizing your lashes is really, really important, and I think the two biggest mistakes with eyelashes are that people don't let the glue dry enough before they place the lashes on, and they just kind of slide around and become really difficult to work with. And the next is that the lash is too big. And if the lash is too big, it's just not gonna fit your fucking eye. You do wanna make sure that you trim it always from the outer corner as opposed to the inner corner. You wanna trim that a little bit and make sure that it fits your eye perfectly, and it will fit so much easier. You'll have such an easier time applying your lashes, I promise you. I did that. Now I am going to cut them in half. I'm gonna start with the outer corner. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes adhesive. Apply a extremely thin layer. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for at least 30 seconds. Sometimes people say 30 seconds. I honestly say you can wait a full minute, and it does make it a lot easier to apply your lashes if you do that. So you do kind of want both hands on deck with this technique, because you do want one hand to kind of hold your eye and your lashes up, so you can place with a tweezer. So you can place this just like perfectly in there. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna kind of hold this lash up. I've never done this before, so you're riding that train with me. Okay, I'm gonna pull that up, and I'm going to get this baby really in there. Oh my God, it feels so weird. Okay, redo. I think I did it. I think I did it. I'm gonna go in with the inner corner, and I'm gonna try it and apply that. Let's see. I hope you can see this. See what I'm doing right now. And my eye is starting to water because the glue is so close to my eye. Okay, there we go. One more time. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple minutes, and I'm going to prep the other side. Now I'm gonna take the back of the tweezer, and I'm just going to really push that into place. It feels so weird. Okay, so I think that both sides are in. I'm just gonna go in again with the mascara, and I'm just going to do a layer of mascara on everything. I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels horrible, and like I have something in my actual eye. However, it looks really, really really good. Okay, so here's the verdict. So I finished applying this eye, and then I went to continue filming, and I just couldn't for a good 5 minutes because my eyes were just really irritated. They're still a little bit red and kind of annoyed that I put lashes so close to my actual eyeballs. However, now my eyes have calmed down a little bit and it looks fucking gorgeous. I really do like it. It is very natural. You can't see, it just looks like I have eyelash extensions, except I don't. And yeah, it looks super natural, super gorgeous, and I would definitely try this again, actually. I may even try it with a thicker band lash because I might end up being able to see what I'm doing a little bit more. So I will try this out again and post a picture on my Instagram and let you know. As for the mascara, Benefit hit a fucking home run with this. From the second that I applied it, I really loved it. It looks gorgeous on my bottom lashes. It's definitely not smudged at all. That was great. It claims to be 36 hours. That would be the only thing I wouldn't attest to because I've only been wearing it for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so. But if you're wearing your mascara for 36 hours, you have fucking problems. Go take a nap. If you're looking for an amazing mascara, this one is definitely it. It is right up there with my Lash Paradise and my Dior. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and sound off in the comments below what you guys thought. If there's anything else that you guys want me to review or you want me to try out, then just let me know in the comments. And if you decide to try this lash idea, then definitely let me know. I love you all. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you guys have an awesome Monday, and I will see you in my next video.